Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to make a flashlight. So are you ready? Before that, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Okay, like button. Okay, now let's go to first to create this. We need to go to app. As you know, I have told in the previous video to create an app. There are mainly four steps mainly. So define the purpose for the app and design the app, code the app, run the app whether it is working or not. So the first step is define the purpose for the app. So what is your app? Oh yes, it's yes, flashlight. So okay, and now we have to design that. In this design box, we're going to use just three blocks. Yeah, I'm not kidding. Yeah, just three blocks. But this may be not that much easy, but somewhat easy. Yeah, means it's easy, guys. Now take the button two times. So the button. You have to change the name. In flashlight, there are two buttons, off and on. So the button two on and the button one. What is this? Oh, what is the button name? Off. Next, yes, it's working. Now let's go to the code. Or even block. Button to click. Set property. Now to use two times of set property. As we don't have black color in here, so we'll use the screen too. Wait, not red. Background color. So we have no black color. So we use our colors as yellow and blue. Not yellow. Yellow will be very hard. So let's use this white. So let's check whether it's working or not. Oh, what happened? 1 minute, guys. There is something wrong. Uh, Press button one. Yes, there is no wrong, I think. But what just happened right now? Okay. I think something went wrong. Let's try this. Oh, the same did it. So I understand the color should be something. So let's change. But okay, I think we don't need this. Let's use. Yes, it's done. So how you see it's done. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.